Welcome all. Today's top breaking news with Gitanjali from Bayan Times. Telugu actor Jai Prakash Reddy passes away at 74. Andhra CM Naidu expressed grief. Telugu cinema and theatre actor Jai Prakash Reddy, 74, passed away in Vidyanagar, Guntur due to heart attack on Tuesday. Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister's office CMO issued a statement condoling the loss of the versatile actor. Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Y.S. Jagannath Reddy has expressed grief over the death of popular character artist Sri Jai Prakash Reddy, who created a special place for himself in filmland through his imitable dialogue delivery and mannerisms. The Chief Minister conveyed his condolences to the bereaved family members, said the statement. Malla Reddy gives out COVID testing ambulance. Under the Gift a Smile initiative, Labour Minister C.H. Malla Reddy presented a COVID-19 testing ambulance to TRS Working President K.T. Rama Rao recently. Inspired by Rao's call, the minister presented the vehicle and MP Ranjit Reddy and TRS Madhukajgiri Parliamentary Constituency in charge Mari Rajshekhar Reddy were present on the occasion. The minister presented the Kalyana Lakshmi checks to 100 beneficiaries at a program organized at Ghatkesar MLA camp office here on Tuesday. Andhra Pradesh records 10,601 new cases, 73 deaths, total cases now 5,17,094, 10,601 new COVID-19 positive cases and 73 deaths reported in Andhra Pradesh today. Total number of cases now at 5,17,094, including 96,769 active cases, 4,15,765 recoveries, and 4,560 deaths, says Andhra Pradesh government. Telangana legislature urges centre to confer Bharat Ratna on former PM Narasimha Rao. Telangana CM KCR has brought a resolution in the assembly urging the centre to grant Bharat Ratna to former PM and late PV Narasimha Rao. TRS Congress and BJP have supported KCR's resolution, but the CM's friend gave a shock. The MIM party, which is the main opposition now in the assembly, has opposed this resolution. MIM believes that PV was responsible for the Babri Masjid demolition and they oppose the resolution and staged a boycott in the assembly. As Prime Minister, PV failed to protect Babri Masjid from demolition and his association with RSS is well known, said MIM Chief Asaduddin OIC. Telangana luminaries ignored under the Andhra rule, says KTR. IT and Industries Minister K.T. Rama Rao on Tuesday said millions from Telangana were neglected under the United Andhra Pradesh rule and many of them were intentionally undermined and ignored by successive governments. He welcomed the demand for conferment of Bharat Ratna posthumously on former Prime Minister P.V. Narasimha Rao. Ministers and MLAs spoke supporting the Assembly resolution in this regard. Antarvedi Temple chariot fire is not a mishap, says TDP Chief Chandrababu Naidu. Demanding a safety audit of temple properties, TDP Supremo and leader of the opposition N. Chandrababu Naidu has said the burning of Atharvedi Temple chariot in East Godavari district was not a mere accident. It seemed more like a heinous act carried out by some antisocial elements, he added. He alleged that attacks on idols and properties of Hindu temples across Andhra Pradesh have increased in the past 15 months of the YSRC rule. Drug menace in Sandalwood, says Bangalore CCB arrest actor Sanjana Galrani. The Central Crime Branch probing the drug abuse in the Kannada film industry on Tuesday arrested actress Sanjana Galrani here, police sources said. The development comes in the wake of city police arresting actress Ragini Dwivedi for supplying drugs to people at high-end parties in the city. Galrani was arrested at the end of a CCB raid at her Indira Nagar residence here early this morning, they said. With this, we conclude with our today's news headlines. For more such latest news and updates, like, share, and subscribe By and Times.